In the Milky Way galaxy, many more planets besides Earth exist. Let's explore the exoplanet WASP 173ab. What is an exoplanet? An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. In this case, WASP 173ab orbits the solar system WASP 173. This solar system is a binary system, meaning there are two stars. The closest star to the exoplanet, and also the brightest star in the system, being WASP 173a. This star has a mass of 2.09 times 10 to the 30th kilograms, and a radius of 7.7 times 10 to the 8th meters. The exoplanet WASP 173ab is 12% larger than the size of Earth and is larger than Jupiter. Calculations. We calculated gravitational acceleration on WASP 173ab to be 66.34 meters per second squared, which is approximately 6.769 times larger than the gravitational acceleration on Earth. This can be derived by using the equation little g equals big G times big M over r squared. If a satellite was to orbit our planet 400,000 meters off its surface, it would travel 7.44 times 10 to the 4th meters per second, which can be calculated by using the formula of orbital velocity, which is the square root of big G times big M over r. To find the number of revolutions the satellite would complete per Earth day around WASP 173ab, we took its velocity, which we derived in the previous equation, and converted the units to meters per day, then proceeded to divide by the circumference of WASP 173ab to get 12.99 revolutions per day. To find the distance between the WASP star and its planet, we use the equation 4 pi squared over big G times big M all times r cubed, and set that equal to its period squared. We plugged in all the values and rearranged the variables to solve for r, where we got 7.51 times 10 to the 7th meters. Finally, we derived the orbital velocity of the planet to be 1.36 times 10 to the 6th meters per second from the equation the square root of big G times big M all over r. Interesting facts. If any satellite were to orbit this planet, it would travel at about 166,428 miles per hour, or 7.44 times 10 to the 4th meters per second squared. Additionally, the exoplanet, also known as Kel-22ab, cannot sustain life because temperature is 387.59 times hotter than the surface of the Earth, and the fact that too much sunlight reaches the surface as there are two suns. So we would go